So what is up guys, welcome to AGD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the first look of the Samsung Galaxy Flip. I'm going to be telling you more about its specifications and it is going to be an affordable flip phone. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, exactly 1 year ago, Samsung introduced the Samsung Galaxy Fold first generation, and that was an incredible smartphone. That was the first smartphone in the market to feature a foldable display, and that also was the first smartphone to be shipped. Okay guys, first of all, this smartphone review units went to the reviewers. Okay, all of the tech media and all of the bigger companies this smartphone went up to, and they started reviewing it, and later on they noticed there was a plastic film on the glass of the smartphone. Okay, it was having a plastic touchscreen, and on that there was a little plastic film. So everybody thought that this is a pre-installed screen protector, and hence they removed it, and that was a layer of the touchscreen, and hence all of the smartphones were getting damaged. And later on Samsung fixed this issue in the late 2019, and like now we have with us the Samsung Galaxy Fold publicly available. And guys, as you can see, this is the first look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Okay, it is not going to be a foldable phone, it is going to be a flip phone. Again, in December of 2019, Motorola introduced the Razr smartphone. Okay, if you are not familiar with the Razr phone, way back in 2000s, Motorola introduced the first Razr smartphone, and that was a button smartphone with a flip screen. Okay, earlier this was a very crazy fashion in the smartphone industry, but the iPhone just came and the touch screen became the primary standard, and that is the case here we are going to be seeing. Okay, all of the rectangular bricks that we carry with us every day are going to be replaced by this foldable technology. Okay, this foldable technology might be not durable, might be very weak, the display might get scratched up easily, but this is the future. Okay, and you have to accept this future because we always have to progress. And guys, the number one factor which I'm going to be discussing regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, well, this is the official video clip of the product itself. This product is going to be coming on 11th of February, which is after 6 days. Okay, Samsung is going to be conducting its Samsung's Unpacked, where Samsung is going to be launching the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and the S20 lineup. So guys, this smartphone is going to be an affordable one. Okay, you saw in the title of today's video, and I say that this is an affordable flip phone. And why that is? Well guys, when the first Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone was launched, its pricing was more than $2,000. So guys, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is going to be starting with the price tag of $1,400. Okay, it is going to be a bit expensive, but I want to say, like, its first generation smartphone was above $2,000, and this smartphone is going to be for $1,400. Okay, the iPhone 11 Pro cost $1,000, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro Max cost $1,100. And same is the case with the Samsung smartphones. The upcoming S20 series is going to be about like $1,000 to $1,100. So all of the smartphones are getting expensive, and in comparison to this technology that Samsung is opting for, $1,400 is an affordable pricing. So guys, now you will tell me that $1,400 means 1,20,000 to 1,30,000 rupees, which is too much for a smartphone. But I want to say, like in 2007, when everyone was using a button smartphone, the pricing of the button smartphone was like $100 to $200 max to max, and like iPhone started at $500 to $600. There was a big difference, but later on all of the manufacturers started to use the touchscreen technology, and the history is going to be repeating again, guys. You believe or not, but the foldable technology is the near future of smartphones. Okay guys, from the rectangular bricks that we carry, now we are going to be having the foldable technology, and more on more. Like now its pricing is like $1,400, later on it will come to $1,000, and eventually you will see a foldable technology in the budget range category. So guys, this is not a smartphone that you can calculate in terms of the specifications. Okay, it is actually a downgrade because you're going to be getting a battery life from 3300 milliamp hours to 3600 milliamp hours, and this battery is going to be powering a 6.7 inch full HD plus display. Okay, this is a big display and the battery life is certainly not there, but I want to say like this is a second generation product, and as you can see in this footage, the phone is having a seamless experience. Okay, when you flip open the smartphone, it gets automatically open, and when you close it, there is a nice animation. So this is certainly not the smartphone for everyone, but it is just good to see like Samsung is developing it. And again guys, this is the first official look of this smartphone. You believe me or not, but there is no other company who will invest such a big amount of money for like this technology, which very few people will buy. But guys, in today's video I wanted to give you the latest news regarding this smartphone. Okay guys, this smartphone might not be the perfect smartphone for you, but eventually you're going to be seeing this foldable technology in the mid-range category and later on in the budget friendly category. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.